Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today, we're diving deep into a true off-road legend at the Toyota Land Cruiser 100 series, 1998 to 2007. Whether you're a hardcore off-road enthusiast or just love classic SUVs, this one is for you. Stick around as we explore its history, features, and why it's still a beast in 2025. History, legacy, ethics, micro, background music, a nostalgic and adventurous. Ethics scene, montage of vintage clips and photos of the LC100 from Toyota's global markets. The Land Cruiser 100 series was introduced in 1998, replacing the 80 series. Toyota built it to be the perfect balance of luxury and rugged capability. It was available in two main versions. The HDJ100 with the legendary 1HD FTE turbo diesel engine. The used 100 with the powerful 4.7 liters V8 petrol engine. And guess what, even in 2025, the LC100 is still a favorite among off-road lovers worldwide. A performance, reliability, ethics, micro, background music, a upbeat and powerful. Ethics scene, footage of the LC100 climbing rocks, crossing rivers, and tackling extreme terrains. This SUV was built to conquer the world. Let's talk specs. Engine options: the ultra-reliable 1HD FTE 4.2 liters turbo diesel, 202 horsepower, and the 2-use FAIF 4.7 liters V8 petrol, 230 horsepower. Full-time 4WD system with a center differential lock for ultimate traction. Independent front suspension, IFS, for a smoother ride than its predecessor. Towing capacity: a massive 3,500 kilograms, 7,700 pounds. Whether you're in the desert, jungle, or mountains, this beast just won't quit. Section: off-road modifications in 2025. Ethics, micro, background music, energetic and modern. Ethics scene, showcase of modified LC100S with lift kits, snorkels, roof racks, and LED bar. Many off-road enthusiasts are upgrading their LC100S in 2025 with Section 2 4-inch lift kits for better ground clearance. Thios snorkels for deep water crossings. Regearing and lockers for extreme trails. Thighs 35-inch all-terrain tires for superior grip. This Land Cruiser may be over 20 years old, but with the right mods, it competes with brand new off-road SUVs still relevant in 2025. Ethics, micro, background music, confident and inspiring. Ethics scene, side-by-side comparison of a stock LC100, a modern Land Cruiser 300, and a fully built LC100. So, why do people still love the LC100 in 2025? Here's why. IDRS is Cedilla bulletproof reliability and no unnecessary electronics to fail. IDRS is Cedilla classic Toyota engineering, built to last over 500,000 miles. IDRS is Cedilla affordable compared to new Land Cruisers. You can get one for a fraction of the cost. IDRS is Cedilla endless aftermarket support. Customize it however you want. If you're looking for a reliable, capable, and affordable off-road machine, the LC100 is still one of the best choices. Ethics, micro, background music, uplifting and energetic. A Toyota Land Cruiser 100 driving into the sunset, and that's why the Toyota Land Cruiser 100 series remains an off-road icon in 2025. What do you think? Would you choose an LC100 over a brand new SUV? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload.